Hello, and welcome to this presentation from LD Technologies on how to configure the virtual points on your LD2100 controller. The leak detection cable should already be installed. A floor map should be used to determine the distances that will be assigned to the virtual locations. All RLE web-based equipment can be configured using either Firefox or Internet Explorer. So getting started, we're going to click on our icon for our web browser, go up into the address bar and type in the IP address of the LD2100 that we're configuring. Enter in the proper username and password, then we will click on OK. From the main page, we click on Configuration, then go down to Zone Settings. Here we determine the number of zones needed for our application. In this example, I'm going to use 9. Once we've entered in our number, we click on Submit Changes. From there, we go over to Virtual Zone Settings. On this page, we can enter the label and the end distance for that zone. So our first zone will be east wall with an end distance of 50 feet. Our next zone will be the south wall with an end distance of 150 feet. Moving down to the third virtual zone, we enter in our west wall, which has an end distance of 200 feet. We're going to keep moving through this process, filling out a label and end distance for every zone needed. Once we get done with our last zone, we're going to go up to Submit Changes and save. Once everything is complete, we're going to go up to the home link. It's at this point recommended to generate a leak on the system to make sure that our virtual zones show up correctly. Right now we're generating a water leak on the end of the system. The controller is going through its countdown. So once the time frame passes, we should get in our alarm status our leak detected at our footage, and then also see our label being assigned to that footage. At this point, you can clear the leak on the system. RLE recommends doing a backup of the LD2100 system once all this data is completed. In order to do a backup, click on Configuration, System Flash Management, and click on the Download Configuration File link located on that page. You can call the file name whatever you choose, as long as there's no spaces and the .cfg file type is used. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video from LD Technologies. Please look for more training videos from LD on your different products. Any comments or questions, please contact LD Technical Support at support@rdtech.com.